Chapter 6 Subtraction. Learning Objectives. After this lesson, you will be able to subtract two-digit numbers without regrouping, subtract numbers using a 100 grid, learn regrouping for subtraction, subtract without regrouping, solve subtraction story problems. Looking back, Neha went to a vegetable market with her mother. Her mother bought 38 potatoes and 26 tomatoes. Her mother gave 16 potatoes and 14 tomatoes to her aunt. Subtracting two-digit numbers. Terms used in subtraction. Subtraction involves taking away a smaller number from a bigger number. The minus sign, that is the sign for subtraction. The operation of subtraction begins from the ones place. The bigger number is called the minuend and the smaller number is called the subtrahend. The answer of subtraction is known as the difference. Minuend, subtrahend, difference. Subtraction facts. 1. When we subtract 0 from any number, the difference is the number itself. For example, 35 minus 0 equals 35, 40 minus 0 equals 40, 91 minus 0 equals 91. 2. When we subtract 1 from any number, we get the previous number or its predecessor. For example, 35 minus 1 equals 34, 50 minus 1 equals 49, 91 minus 1 equals 90. 3. When a number is subtracted from itself, we get 0. For example, 17 minus 17 equals 0. 30 minus 30 equals 0. 85 minus 85 equals 0. Subtracting a one-digit number from a two-digit number. There are 26 apples in a basket. 4 were eaten by a child. How many apples are still in the basket? 26 minus 4 equals. Step 1. Subtract the ones. Step 2. Subtract the tens. Answer. There are 22 apples left in the basket. 26 minus 4 equals 22. Subtracting a two-digit number from a two-digit number. There are 50 apples in a basket. 20 were given away. How many are still in the basket? 50 minus 20 equals. Step 1. Subtract the ones. 0 minus 0 equals 0. Step 2. Subtract the tens. 5 minus 2 equals 3. Answer. There are 30 apples left in the basket. There are 58 storybooks in the library. 15 of them are animal stories. How many of them are not animal stories? 58 minus 15 equals. Step 1. Subtract the ones. Step 2. Subtract the tens. Answer. There are 43 books which are not animal stories. The hundredths grid. Find the number 24. What is 10 less than 24? Color it green. What is 10 more than 24? Color it red. Do the same for the number 88. What do you notice? 10 less is the above number. 10 more is the number below. When you want to add ones, go forward. A. Let us add 24 to 35. Step 1. Start at 35. Step 2. Go down 2 boxes plus 20. Step 3. Move forward 4 boxes plus 4. Thus 35 plus 24 equals 59. B. Let us subtract 23 from 84. When you want to subtract ones, go back. Step 1. Start at 84. Step 2. Go up to 2 boxes minus 20. Step 3. Move back 3 boxes minus 3. Thus 84 minus 23 equals 61. Regrouping. Tens to ones. A. Take the number 15. We can think of it in two ways. 110 5 ones, 15, or is the same as 15 ones. 110 5 ones can be regrouped as 15 ones. B. Take the number 25. 210 5 ones or 110 15 ones. 2 tens 5 ones can be regrouped as 110 15 ones. Subtraction with regrouping. A. Rahul had 20 toffees. He gave 6 toffees to his friend. How many toffees was Rahul left with? 20 minus 6 equals. Step 1. As there aren't enough ones, we group 20 to 110 and 10 ones. Step 2. Subtract the ones and then subtract the tens. Answer. Rahul was left with 14 toffees. B. Mrs. Anand bought 24 eggs. 8 eggs were rotten. How many eggs were good? 24 minus 8 equals. Step 1. As there aren't enough ones, we regroup 24 into 110 and 14 ones. Step 2. Subtract the ones and then subtract the tens. Answer. 16 eggs are good. C. Deepak had 44 picture cards in his collection. 17 of them were of butterflies. How many of them were not of butterflies? 44 minus 17 equals. Step 1. As there aren't enough ones, we regroup 44 into 3 tens and 14 ones. Step 2. Subtract the ones and then subtract the tens. Answer. 27 pictures were not of butterflies.